Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. We're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started.
In today's tech tip, we're going to be talking about how to use the swipe function to edit digits in the calculator app on your iPhone. Now, if you're like me, sometimes I make typos when I'm typing numbers into the calculator app on my phone, and I don't want to have to start over from scratch by clicking the clear button. So what you're going to do instead here is, let's say for example, I'm typing 789 and I'm like, oh, dang it, I messed up. Well, I can click on the numbers and I can swipe left or right using my thumb. You can't see this, but I just swiped left and it deleted the digit. I can also swipe right and it's going to do the same thing. And I have found this very helpful in certain situations, so I don't have to type my whole number again, or start if I'm doing a really long calculation. It makes it so much easier just to start from there. All right, that's today's tech tip. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.
Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. Alright, see you in the next one.